lazy to start a business like Roman did. I might not work either if I was getting all the money and free rides I wanted from my cousin.
I look after Roman. I help him out.
Sure you do. You help him get into trouble. I know your type, homeboy. Don't think I'm not streetwise, Holmes, because I seen shit you couldn't imagine. For real, my friend. For real.
Okay, then. For real.
Good riddance, dog lover.
Hey, man.
All right, Nico. The exchange is over on Charge Island at the water treatment plant.
Sales associate who gets by because I've got a great rap.
Fucking fuck!
In 10 yards. Turn.
Mackie, my man. How are you and Gracie getting on?
Like a house on fire, ain't that right, Gracie? See, she was just telling me how much she loved me. What do you think of Nico, Gracie?
I fucking hate the both of you!
Gracie, watch your mouth. Nico's a good friend of mine. Don't say that about him.
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you!
Gracie, you're sweet. I know, I'm too good for him, but sometimes a guy has got to hang out with lowlifes like Nico here. He's got his uses.
I'll give you some fucking useless!
That's right, he is definitely a bad influence on me.
Motherfucker!
In 1 mile. Turn left. Then immediately left.
Jesus Christ!
In 100 yards. Turn left. You have arrived.
Dwayne, it's me. Can I get that backup you offered?
No problem, man. I'll send my boys your way.
Gracie, you all right? The bastard didn't hurt you, did they?
She can't speak. We got a gag in her mouth.
Give her back, you animals. She suffered enough.
Hand over the stuff.
Hand over Gracie. I'm here for you, sweetie.
Hand over the fucking stuff!
All right, calm down. Both of you.
Oye, we put the ice in the middle, we walk back. Then, you send over the girl. We leave, and you pick up the stuff. Entiende?
Sure. Show us the goods.
Come back to me, honey.
Let her go.
Nika Bellic. How's it? That whenever something is stolen from me, you're not far away.
I have never stolen anything from you, Mr. Bulgarin.
This man, the big Pedic, and his Dominican beach, they stole my diamonds. And you have been trying to rob the thieves, to rob me. Кончай!
I don't care what you did to that man, but we ain't leaving here without them diamonds. All right, I think I know who's got the ice. Follow me.
Not
This is it!
Stay close to me, Nico.
You're going to die, friend!
I have him.
Enjoying yourself?
Over there, Nico, boy.
Stay down!
Nicely done, Nico. We fucking got him. You guys above us. Get him, Nico.
Having a good day?
Cover! Fuck, Nico, there's some guys up there. Use the pipes for cover. Come on, man!
Screw you!
Shit!
Okay? Relax.
Yeah! That shit don't faze me.
Be close, Nico, boy.
You win!
Immediately. Now he's our friend!
Guy with the ice has gotta be this way. Let's split up. I'll take the high road and you take the low road. Shit, we got even more company.
You are surrounded. Time to die.
Bye, baby, bro! Fuck me, a whole load of them are showing up. close. Give us that fucking ice! You're trapped! We'll let you go if you give them up!
I'm screwed either way. If I don't give you the diamonds, you kill me here and you take them. I do give you the diamonds, Mr. Bulgarian kills me later. I don't nobody having them. Screw all of you. Jebeno isto.
You selfish piece of cock-sucking shit! Pull the trigger on this one.
Be afraid, Fred!
I'm dropping one. Serves you right, you selfish cock-sucking piece of shit. Shit, I don't want to spend another minute in this crap hole. Let's get out of here.
Ugly city, I guess.
We have an attack on an officer in southern Charles Island.
Jesus Christ, why did that moron have to throw the ice away? It was just plain selfish.
There's always one who ruins it for everybody else in the class.
You're telling me? We would have let him live. He could have walked away from there. Instead, he's fucked, and the diamonds are who knows where.
A lot of people are going to be upset about that.
My brother Gerald is gonna be one of them people. There ain't much that could cheer him up now that he thinks he's doing serious time, but this is really gonna piss him off. It's gonna be a nice thing to mull over. You know, while he's staring at that metal bars for the next decade or so.
A guy like Jerry can still do stuff in the joint. He organized this kidnapping shit, didn't he? Can't be the only card he's got to play.
Fuck, he wasn't too chipper the last time I spoke to him, and he's gonna be a long way from chipper when I tell him what went down. If I can get what went on straight in my head in the first place. Okay, so we exchanged Gracie for some diamonds that Ray used to have. Then some Russian turns up saying they're his, then everything goes to shit. That's about right, isn't it?
There's nothing right about this situation, but that would be an accurate description of what went down. The Russian was called Ray Bulgarin. I worked for him on the Adriatic. He thought I stole from him and he came after me. I had to leave Europe because of him.
And they were his diamonds?
I don't know about that. They're nobody's now. The only thing that makes me smile about this shit is that Bulgarin does not have the ice. Piece of shit does not even stay at the fight to see the outcome. Just leaves his boys to clear up.
We was outnumbered, Nico. I can see how he thought it was covered.
This is not the first time he has assumed that I would be killed by some of his employees. Hopefully one day I'll be able to teach him his lesson by putting a bullet to the back of his head.
You're not meant to say what you wish for out loud. It won't come true if you do. That rule even works for wishes as cheerful as yours.
In 8 yards, turn left, then immediately left. Turn right. You arrived.
Who the fuck hit me?
Well, Nico, that was a whole lot of effort for no fucking reward. Story of my life.
It is the story of a lot of lives, Becky. I'm getting used to hearing it.
See you, Nico. I gotta go break the news to Gerald. At least I'm gonna be on the other side of some bulletproof glass to him. But you know what? I'm still fucking scared.
Good luck. Stop!
country is
So
talking. Zachary Tyler. Give it up for Zachary.
Here we are.
So where to?
So we're going to Mahesh Avenue, got it?
Okay then.
Stop now!
Liberty Rock Radio.
Okay then, here we go.
That's very kind of you. Florian, open the door. Nemoj gdje si, peder.
Govor Ingleski, and I told you it's Bernie.
Then Bernie, open the door. What's going on?
Come in, come in. The haters are trying to kill me. I can't stand it. I won't stand it. It's not fair. I'm just being me.
Bernie, what are you talking about?
I came to this country to be myself. To get away from small-minded, angry, macho pricks.
Oh, like me.
Yes! Well, no. Well, you know what I mean. It was hardly the most progressive place. How does my hair look?
Fine.
I put a rinse in. Tawdry night.
Nice.
Bryce found some gray hairs. If he leaves me, I'll kill myself.
Forget about your hair, Florian.
Bernie.
I mean, Bernie. What's the problem?
Someone is threatening to kill me. Every time I go out jogging and doing aerobics or playing Ultimate Disc, some guy comes up and threatens me. He's loco.
Why is he threatening you?
Because... I think just because I'm fabulous.
What?
I keep thinking I'm being followed, and I don't know why.